Lakefront living offers memorable experiences that will last generations to come. Warm sunrises, still sunsets, pristine water. Nature at its best. One of our favorite lakes, Lake St. Catherine, is located in the towns of Wells and Poultney, Vermont. Lake St. Catherine is hidden among an undisturbed, rolling landscape that changes with each season. The region is boasting with outdoor recreation and peaceful destinations to explore in nature. Choose from a wide array of home styles and settings based on your needs and preferences. Explore nearby towns sprinkled with iconic town greens, agriculture, and charming shops. Considering a new home? Let New England Lakeside Realty unite you with the perfect property. New England Lakeside Realty, your experts in Vermont's Lakes Region real estate.